What's up you guys, welcome to XJ6 channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to replace the radiator on an X300. So recently my sister's Jag started leaking coolant and I patched it with some epoxy, which it did the job. She's been driving the Jag around with no issues, but the last thing I want is for that patch to fail and start leaking coolant and then pretty much ruining the engine, and that's going to cost me way more. So I want some peace of mind, so I'm going to go ahead and replace the radiator completely. So let's get to it. Raise the vehicle up with a floor jack and support it on jack stands. Place a 2x4 on the floor jack to protect the cross member. Use a flathead screwdriver to loosen the bottom hose clamp to drain the coolant from the radiator. On the top, remove both side plastic covers. Remove the radiator mounting bracket using a T40 Torx. Remove the upper radiator hose. The radiator port was cracked. This can cause a hose to slide off under pressure. Remove the coolant reservoir hose. Unplug the electric fans and remove the wiring from the shroud. Undo two 10mm bolts to remove the electric fans. Remove the transmission and power steering lines. Also unplug the coolant fan switch sensor. Use a 19mm wrench. Transmission fluid will spill out. Make sure to have a catch pan underneath. It's also recommended to replace the O-ring seals. Replace the mounting bushings or use the best looking ones. Put everything back together. Now add 2.5 gallons of Jaguar XJ6 antifreeze. This is the coolant I prefer on my X300s. With the cap off from the reservoir, start the Jag. Set the heater to max temperature and turn the fans up to the highest speed. Let the engine idle for about 15 minutes to circulate the coolant and bleed air out of the system. Keep an eye on the coolant level and make sure to add some coolant if the level drops. Check for leaks. Check the power steering level. The X300 3 is recommended. I understand that's transmission fluid, but that's what it calls for. When the Jaguar reaches normal temperature, check the transmission fluid level. The X300 3 is also recommended. If low on fluid, add a little bit through the dipstick hole at a time, double checking the level doesn't pass the hot second line. Alright you guys, if y'all found this video helpful, please select the like button. Thanks for watching. You might want to check your local pick and pull junkyard so you can pick up a radiator for only $70. A brand new one's finna cost you about $500. That's crazy, I know. It's a crazy amount of money they're asking for. But yeah, I'll see y'all in the next one. Late.